How to make GnuPG display full 8-byte/64-bit keyed. How do I make GnuPG, specifically version January 4, 2012, display the full, 64-bit, 8-byte, keyed for a key on a keyring on my system? Doing GPG list keys fingerprint XXXXXXXX only displays the 32-bit portion of the keyed, which I already know, and the fingerprint, which at least in the past has not necessarily been the same as the keyed, although the rightmost 32 bits do match in this particular case. Googling turned up some pages about the importance of specifying the 64-bit keyed to minimize the risk of collisions, and some GnuPG options which want or accept the long keyed, but I couldn't find anything about how to actually display the long keyed.
Alternatively, you can use or
You can see the long key using the option with colons. Yes, very intuitive. To print only the long keyed, use something like
Just to point out a sanely named option to remember. GnuPG the 2nd of February 2013 on macOS, Catalina 10.15.4, list signatures option displays the keyed as well.
To get the short keyed of the existing keys. In the example below there is only one key and the short keyed is 567C9 app, displayed after ISA 4096. The long keyed equals 3250B 4567C9 app. Edit. The keyed could be obtained using either GPG list keys or GPG list secret keys.
If you want to support the channel,